Hello guys, good evening and welcome back to a new video. Today we are going on a night point of view drive with the new Tiguan, so 2021 model, the facelifted version. And as you can see, we have the base trim. Actually this is the Life trim with 17-inch standard wheels. So this is actually, let's say, the second trim here in Croatia. We do have the LED lights at the back, new Tiguan logo, lettering actually, and new Volkswagen logo. And yeah, without further ado, let's take this thing for a spin and let me show you how this looks inside during the night. So you start it with the classic key, and yeah, well, let me actually change the view, and now we are ready to go. All right, starting it up, and you immediately notice that we have the classic dashboard, so the old school one, the analog one. Tell me in your comments what are your thoughts on that. I would definitely upgrade that to a digital cockpit, but I don't know, maybe some of you will love it. We do have this LED lights, and now you see it in its full glory. Different steering wheel compared to the top of the line R-Line, and this one is actually better in my opinion because it has the physical buttons. And well, yeah, let's take this for a spin. So we have 122 horsepower diesel with manual gearbox, so 6-speed manual is here. So no fancy features such as digital cockpit and the ambient lights, so this is all pretty, basic and standard. But do you need more? Well, you don't. So we are used to seeing more and more cars coming with these features. I do love them. I would go for them if I were to buy a car like this, but you don't really need them, I'll be honest with you. So this car does have the updated infotainment system, and the new one, so the new Tiguan has new infotainment system, and this particular model has the 18-inch screen, so this is like the middle option. Base one gets a 6.5-inch one, and then top of the line is 10-inch one. So tell me in your comments which would you choose. I actually love this one. Let me actually turn on those lights right now. I actually love this one because you still have the knobs here for the volume and for changing various things, but yeah, but you still have a big screen, so I think this one is rather nice. Turn off those lights, so now you see it. The AC switches are on this panel. It's a digital panel. I'm now adjusting the air blower. It's rather easy to use, not as good as the buttons, but better than to have it in the infotainment system. And well, yeah, tell me in your comments, how do you like the interior layout of this thing? If you want more details, of course, there is a in-depth review and point of view drive during the day. But now in this quick video, I just want to show you, how does this look during the night, and want to hear your thoughts on the classic, dials. I have a lot of traffic here. It's currently 4:30, so everyone is, departing and going home probably. So, but yeah, this car also has a bunch of safety systems, so lane assist, And then you have the adaptive cruise control, and I actually demonstrated that on point of view drive during the day, so you can watch that. So this is the 122 horsepower base 2-liter TDI, but since this is a big engine, it's potent, and I mean, if you're not looking for something, you know, fast, this is okay. For, you know, buyers who are not looking into a new sporty SUV, they just want, you know, efficient car, this is it. Base LED lights light up the road pretty well actually, but if you want you know, to have better lights, you should upgrade to the matrix LEDs, which are optional on this car. But there's also LED plus, so that's like the middle one, maybe the wisest choice, as the matrix LEDs can be pricey, but the second option, you know, is less expensive and gets you even better lights than this. But as I said, this is also really okay. Once again, interior layout here for you with the manual transmission. Start stop off is here. I will actually do that. I didn't even notice that we didn't deactivated that system. And the ride on this 17-inch wheels is actually pretty smooth. So this is a very bumpy road, but it's still very smooth in here. And yeah, that's the case. So you either get the good looks with 18 or 19-inch ones, but then you don't get you know, ride as smooth as this. we are back at Volkswagen dealership, back to Porsche Interauto, which kindly gave me this car for a review and a test. So yeah, tell me in your comments, what do you think about it? Thank you very much for watching. Do subscribe and see you on the next video. Bye bye.